So this is USDCAD analysis for Monday the 13th of November. Now, let's just get scale on here correct. There we are. Just zoomed out a little bit too much. Just going to try to get this chart scaled correctly. Okay, we'll use this one. So, what we've seen happen is all the way back in the 7th, we've come up pretty much close to 200 period average, and we've seen some selling momentum. And again, we've come down. We've had two tests of that 400 period average, and again, we've seen prices head downwards for the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. That might be due to the fact that we've got a somewhat stronger Canadian dollar based on the excellent recovery of oil. Or there might be the excellent recovery of oil, because my understanding that most of the data that's been coming out of Canada has not been stupendous by any stretch. So where do we expect prices to go? Now, my target is the level identified below. Level identified below in and around this 126.22. We're looking for, let's just get it right. So let's grab a pen. So we're looking for price coming out to 126.22, potentially balancing, heading back up, possibly testing this 400 period moving average, or possibly testing this 127.78. Overall, let's just get a pen off the charts. Let's just see where we are. Yep, there we are. There's even more levels there. So we're looking first targets around as 126.22. See how prices react. If we do get a strong reaction, again, from there we'll be targeting 127.78. If we don't get much of a reaction, we were looking to target 125.30. Yes, 125.30. So from 127.78, we're looking at 125.30. I can't imagine price getting up to this 129, where, I can't imagine price getting up to this 129, unless, no, I can't imagine that. A catalyst would be a very, very big catalyst to have prices trade all the way up at 129.44, or even 129.44, or even just before that 129. So the far end of the range I could imagine would be around this in and around, let's see, 126.91, possibly on this on Monday. The far end of the range is going to be at 127.78, and the lower end of the range is going to be at 125.30. Yes, 125.30 weekly pivot. One weekly pivot. So the upper end of the range, we've got the lower end of the range as well. So let's just have a look at the higher time frames. So bear with me a second here. So this is getting correct. So on this daily chart, you can clearly see that we've had a small bit of a turnaround. We've had a retracement, was to be expected at some point, but we've had a retracement from 129. Movement has been pretty ideal. We do have the one candle which is an anomaly, which is likely news related, but the candles are closing near their lows, indicating strong momentum in the market. Yes, it does indicate some strong momentum in the market, particularly from the bears, as we don't have any dojis. So we have candles closing near their lows. In this case, it is a bearish signal. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. Yes, let's just have a look. So here on this weekly time frame, we can see that we're in a let's go to the pen. We're in a very strong uptrend. We've had two pullbacks so far, From these two pullbacks, I'm expecting to see a bull flag break and move towards into the mid 130s. Let's just have a look at the monthly chart for wrapping up here. Just bear with me a second. Bear with me a second here. We're just going to have a look at the. So we just had a look at the weekly chart. It's a monthly chart. Sorry. Give me a second. This is proving a lot more problematic than I would like. There we go. So on the monthly chart, we can see there we've got a bit of a pin bar that was formed earlier in the year, well, more recently, and we had a very strong continuation candle just there. Overall, we do appear to be more biased to the long side, the US dollar against the CAD. Yeah, we are expecting, yes. So overall, we do appear to be getting quite a bit of a bid. So we're expecting a further continuation to the upside on the US dollar CAD, and particularly if it's in alignment with the lower time frames as well. So that should wrap up my analysis for the US dollar Canadian dollar. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.